The crypto market is full of surprises today, with some assets showing signs of recovery while others continue to face challenges. It's a day of mixed emotions for investors. Are we seeing the start of a comeback, or are we heading into more turbulence? With key players like Bitcoin and Ethereum showing slight gains, the overall sentiment still leans cautious. Hi and welcome to Crypto Pulse, where we provide you daily updates on crypto market trends for strategic investment and calculated gain. Let's kick things off with the king of crypto, Bitcoin. So currently priced at $57,246, Bitcoin has seen a slight 1.01% gain over the last 24 hours. But don't get too excited yet. It's still down 3.30% for the week. Major whale movements with 4,000 BTC leaving Fidelity custody wallets have added fuel to the fire, leading to heightened volatility. Will Bitcoin break out or remain range-bound? Only time will tell. Next up is Ethereum, holding at $2,416.37. Like Bitcoin, it's up 1.64% over the last 24 hours, but down 4.32% for the week. The lack of sustained bullish momentum mirrors the broader market sentiment, and Ethereum's future hinges heavily on the DeFi sector's stability. Now for the altcoins, Polkadot is down slightly at $4.04, losing 0.35% in 24 hours and 5.54% over the week. Solana, however, shines with a 4.80% daily increase despite being down 6.99% for the week, priced at $133.65. Ripple's XRP saw a modest gain of 0.29%, currently at $0.55, while Shiba Inu rose 2.60% to $0.00001342, but remains in the red with a weekly drop of 3.94%. Among today's top gainers, Aave leads the pack with an impressive 11.14% rise to $133.62. Injective follows closely with 9.87% boost, hitting $17.16. Helium, StarNet, and Akash Network also recorded gains of over 5% each. On the flip side, Toncoin took a hit, dropping 4.74% to $4.48. Notcoin and Thorchain saw declines as well, while Audi and Polygon dipped by over 3%. The crypto market is a state of flux, with uncertainty looming large. Keeping a close eye on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the whale movements in the coming days as macroeconomic factors continue to shape the market. And remember, Analytics Insight is your go-to digital companion for all the things crypto. So stay informed, stay strategic, and as always, invest wisely.